Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana hindi tayo malasing.
Birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha.
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday! May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Lisa, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you.
Enjoy your life and be happy always.
Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. More blessing and good health to you. Love you. Hope I can see you soon. Ingat.
Happy birthday! Mag-ingat ka parate. God bless. I hope to see you soon and enjoy your birthday. Bye! Mwah!
Happy birthday. I'm wishing you all the best. And syempre, huwag mo kalimutan magdasal kay Lord. Ingat ka palagi and God bless.
Well. I just heard it's your birthday. Tremendous news. Absolutely fantastic. Let me tell you, nobody celebrates birthdays better than you. People are talking about it. They really are. You've done an incredible job making it this far, believe me. I know a lot of people, very smart people, and they all agree this is going to be the best birthday yet. So sit back, enjoy the cake, and remember, you're still winning big league. Happy birthday. Make it legendary.
Happy birthday sa iyo, pamangkin Hunter. Wish ko, bigyan ka pa ng buong may kapal at lakas ng katawan na mapag-celebrate ng marami pang kaarawan na darating sa iyong buhay upang ma-achieve mo ang iyong mga goal sa buhay o mga career na gusto mong matamo. Huwag ka mag-alala, nandyan lang ang Diyos upang ikay gabayan, protektahan sa lahat ng oras. At nandito kami, mga tito, tita, mami at daddy mo dito sa mundo ng imo. Happy birthday sa iyo, pamangkin ko Hunter. Para sa iyo, happy birthday. happy birthday sa iyo, Pamangkin Hunter. Strong, healthy, handsome, also maging mabait na pamangkin. Dito sa mundo ng imo. Charot!
Happy birthday, Daddy. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. At ingat po lagi sa trabaho. Napapasalamat po ako na naging anak mo kami dito sa Emo. I love you. At enjoy lang po sa birthday mo. God bless. Ingat.
Hi Chong, happy 36th birthday. I hope you enjoy your day. Stay happy, stay blessed. Wish ko na bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng malusog na kalusugan, tsaka enjoy lang at mag-iingat parate. Tsaka yung pangako ko sa'yo, tutuparin ko yun. Huwag kang mag-alala. Siguro pagka nasa Isabela ka na, nakabalik ka na doon, bigyan mo na lang sa akin ulit yung address mo at saka para may padala ko sa'yo. So, happy birthday, more birthdays to come. Ingat palagi. Thank you. Bye.
Hi Daddy, happy birthday. I wish ko good health at maraming birthday pa dumating sa'yo. Yun lang Daddy, happy birthday again. I love you, ingat palagi. Mwah.
Ayan, happy birthday pala sa Daddy Hunter ko dyan. Ayan, saan ba yung kainan din? And then God bless you and more birthdays to come in your life. And I hope bigyan ka pa na maraming blessings ni Papa God. And wish namin na sana lahat ng mga hiling mo matutupad at saka nandito lang kami mga anak mo at saka thankful kami ng mga anak mo dito sa Imo kahit dito lang naramdaman namin na may tatay kami na totoo at saka nagkikare sa amin, nag-a-advise ng mga problem namin, nasusumbangan or naiiyak kami, iyak ako, ayan, umiyak talaga ako sa kanila pero hindi ako naiiyak kasi feeling ko kasi in the real life ko silang tatay. Ayan, broken family ako pero nandyan kayo. Thank you, love you.
Hello po, Daddy. Happy birthday po. Wish ko lang, Daddy, na mag-iingat ka palagi sa work. Mahal na mahal ko po kayong dalawa ni Mami. Pasensya ka na, Daddy, kung hindi ako nakakapunta sa ating BR. Pero hindi naman po nagbabago ang pagmamahal ko sa inyong dalawa ni Mami. Love you po.
Hi Daddy, happy birthday po and more birthday po. And God bless po Daddy, sana po lagi kayong malusog. And I love you Daddy, I love you Mami. Nandito lang po kami support sa inyo.
Magandang araw pala sa lahat. Happy birthday sa Lolo Hunter ko dyan. Lolo, salamat at kinukupli ako sa pamilyang to. Basta ingat ka lang lagi, magpakasaya ka sa araw na to. And salamat rin sa lahat-lahat. Pagmamahal, kahit dito lang sa imo tayo nagkakilala. Tinuring niyo pa yung tunay na pamilya. Minsan kahit pasaway ako, andyan ka pa rin nagpapayo sa akin. Salamat Lolo. Ulit, happy birthday. God bless sa'yo. Love. Magandang araw pala sa
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa ating lahat. Before anything else, I would like to thank God for this wonderful day. And Daddy, happy birthday. Good health lang lagi, mag-ingat ka palagi dyan. Andito lang kami. Ang mga kapamilya mo nagmamahal sa'yo. Ingatan mo lagi sarili mo dyan. Ayan, thank you lagi. Thank you sa pagmamahal. Basta alam mo na yun. Ayoko nang pahabain yung yung message ko para sa'yo. Kasi araw mo to, ayoko magdrama. Ayun, andito lang kami lagi, Daddy. Thank you. Mag-enjoy ka. I love you, Mama Chuchu. Thank you.